Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how can you fix your Uverse box keeps saying restart receiver. So here's a guide for your boot loop troubleshooting. Fix 1. The synchronized power cycle. Unplug the power cord from both your main AT&T Wi-Fi gateway and the malfunctioning Uverse receiver box. Wait 2 full minutes to force the AT&T Street Node Exchange connection to drop and clear your active routing. Plug in only the Wi-Fi gateway first and wait until its broadband and service status lights turn a solid green. Plug the Uverse receiver back into power only after the gateway is fully online to ensure it pulls a clean configuration signal. Fix 2. 10-second soft system reset. Walk over to the physical front panel of your looping Uverse TV receiver box. Press and hold the power button down continuously for 10 full seconds. Release the button once the indicator lights drop dark or flash. Allow 5 to 8 minutes for the box to run an automated internal diagnostic script and reload the TV service stream. Fix 3. Force a hard disaster recovery. Locate the physical buttons on the front of the receiver unit. Press and hold power, OK, and the down arrow button simultaneously for 5 full seconds. Release the power button only while continuing to firmly hold down both the OK and down arrow buttons. Let go of all the remaining buttons once a gear icon or the terminal screen appears on the screen. Note the trade-off. This deep factory flush completely clears the loop, but it will erase your previously recorded DVR schedules and saved shows. Fix 4. WAP signal refresh for wireless receivers. Unplug the power brick from your dedicated AT&T wireless access point, the small black box connected to your main gateway router. Plug it back in after 10 seconds and wait for 2 minutes for its pairing LEDs to settle. Press the WPS sync button on the front of the WAP box, then immediately press the OK button on the front of your wireless TV receiver to re-establish a secure local link. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.